Hi viewers, today Apple has released its new OS for all the devices, iPhone, iPad and watch. I'm going to do a walkthrough for iPadOS 15. This iPadOS 15 has a lot of new features. Some of them are very good multitasking, new emojis, and new split view, and you can take notes anywhere from any app. And there is a new feature where you can copy a text from a photo. That's a cool new one, and Safari has gone through a major changes. I will list out all of them. To start with, I'll show you how the multitasking has been changed in iPadOS 15. So now when you open any app, anything, now you will see three dots on the top. If you touch that, it will provide three options. One is the full screen, another one is split on the right. So now you can choose any other app, whichever the app you want, choose that app. So that's simple now. So if you want to remove it or if you want to change, you just tap it. So from which app you're tapping, that app will become a full screen. Not all the apps is supported on the split view. Say for example, I open the map, then I'm opening this PBS kit. It's not supported, so that's why it's not coming on the split view. You're given a picture-in-picture or a drag and drop option here. So as you can see, the new home screen is totally different. Now we have a lot of space on the both side. If you're comparing it to the iPad 14 or iPadOS 14, you won't see a huge space in between, and now you see all the widgets on top. So this is the default home screen. If you want to customize it, you can go to the settings and go to the home screen. You can choose here. You can choose large icon for the apps or smaller icon. It changes here. You can choose it to large. And when you're downloading any new app, now you can say whether you want to add it to the home screen or just only to the app library. So app library is nothing but a list of all the apps installed, which has been categorized automatically by the OS. And about the widgets, if you want to add more widgets, you can just press and hold, tap the plus. Now you have a lot of apps available. You can add it to your widgets. One cool new thing is Smart Stack. Smart Stack is, it's like a folder where you can scroll through it. Let me add this, then you can see what I'm talking about. So now this is the Smart Stack, which shows FaceTime, my Apple TV, music, and the game. So you can scroll through it and you can touch, it'll open up. So that's the Smart Stack. You can stack multiple apps together and put it as a one icon on your home screen. For now, I think it is only applicable for the system app. So now this quick annotation or quick notes is much more easier in iPadOS 15. You just simply swipe up from the corner. It brings up the notes and you write or type whatever you want. You can do everything here. Once you're done, you can close it. And another cool feature on the split view is now you can choose any app and drag it on top of any other app. This will not work for all. This is based on compatible apps. If I say this is the pages, if I am going to do it on YouTube, it won't work because it's not compatible with it. For messages, yes, it does work. So if you tap it, it opens on the split view. Now I will show you how to copy a text from a picture. So this is the picture. I took it from my laptop. Just look at here. Just select. You can copy the text and you can paste it anywhere in your document. So I put it here. I delete that and paste. There you go. This is a picture. Now you have a new information icon. Tap on it and now you have a lookup. It says it's a plant. When you click that, it shows what it is. Yes, it is a cherry blossom tree. So it finds the relevant informations, whatever you choose from your picture, and you can go from there and see what it is. Now the maps is completely redesigned. It has a lot of new features. Its 3D modeling is really good. And another cool feature is if you zoom out, it will give the whole globe. So you can search here, or you can choose any location and drop a pin and go there, or you can just zoom in. I just want to show you how the 3D is looking. Let me go to the Golden Gate Bridge. Now you can see the 3D image of a Golden Gate Bridge right on your map. For that you have to enable 3D. This is 2D. So now you can see that whole bridge there. Now take a look at how the Safari has been changed. So now the tabs are looking cool. You can switch between the tabs. Now you have a single address bar on the top, and you can see how many tabs open by just tapping on this icon. Here, important cool feature is live translation. Live translation means choose any of the text, click on the translate. There you go. You can change the language, whichever the language you want. You can choose the language. Let me choose to German. There you go, it changes, and even you can play how to pronounce it. Let me put some volume, then you can hear.
Fire.
So how to pronounce in the other language?
Ceremony.
In Italian. So another feature in the Safari is if you copy any link, now it will show thumbnail. If you want to copy the link and put it into your notes, that's much more easier now. You can just choose, drag and drop. Now it will show the thumbnail there. Also now you can search with your voice in Safari. New features for iPadOS 15. So there you go. Now you can search without typing. So there is a lot has been changed in the FaceTime. Now you can do a conference call, or you can create a link, like you can do it with Zoom. You can share that link, someone can join to the FaceTime, and you can do a FaceTime when you're watching any videos. So it will be like a picture in picture. You can FaceTime to the person who you want to talk, and you can watch the video or anything you are doing. This will be much more easier if you want to share something. You can share your screen also with the FaceTime user. That's a welcome feature for this COVID pandemic situation. Another new feature is Emojis. You can create a new Emojis from here, from your message app. Go to the new Emojis, choose your skin type. You can choose your hairstyle, whatever the hairstyle you want, and brows, eyes, head, nose. There are a lot of new features added. You can choose the clothing, second, third. You can choose now and create your new Memoji. So that's a new feature has been added here. Another important change is privacy. Now you can record each activity of your app for 7 days. As this is just installed today, so I do not have much information to show you, but you can turn on this and see or track for a week about the activities of the specific app. So another change is the focus. Now we have do not disturb. In addition to that, we have work and personal. If you want to set up a work, you can choose the work, and you can choose from who you want to see the notification and from who you want to get the call. You have options here for everyone, no one, or your favorites, or all. And you can add a person also here. And the apps, from which app you want to get the notification when you set your focus to work. So you can choose which app you want. You can choose the app, and you can show if it is a time sensitive notification that you want to see. You can do it here, and similarly for personal also you can set up here similarly. So you can add persons and apps. You want to set it to your personal focus. You can set your personal focus or do not disturb or work from your notification center. Click on the focus or touch on the focus, choose which one you want to enable. I think I have covered most of the important features which has been part of the iPad OS 15. So if you have any questions or anything you want to specifically know, please write me in the comments. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.